In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So first thing that we'll need to do is open up the control center right here and press and hold right here. So now, in case your AirDrop is not working and it's always failing, first thing that we'll need to do is turn on airplane mode and then turn it back off. So once you've turned on airplane mode, just turn off your Bluetooth also and your Wi-Fi, and once you've done that, just toggle it back on and it will turn on. And then make sure that you set the right option for your AirDrop if you want it to be received by contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes now. Once you've done that, and it still doesn't work, you can go ahead and try resetting your iPhone, which is on the settings. So search for settings and go to general and go to about and scroll down to the, or never mind, uh, scroll down to the bottom on general and you will see transfer or reset iPhone. So click on transfer or reset and click on reset, and you can choose to reset just the network settings, and once you've done that, it will reset your phone. And that's about it. That's how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.